Hey, what's up everybody? This is Ola with Mobile WizTech and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about this 3-in-1 charging dock that has 10 watts of fast wireless charging for your iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch. And I'll be jumping right in right after this. Before I get started, if you're new to my channel or you've been here before and you just haven't done so already and you would like to continuously receive content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe and notification bell button. That way you can stay informed whenever I post new content on my channel. So let's have a quick look at the box here. As it shows at the bottom, it supports the iPhone, some Samsung phones, but it's not limited to just these two phones. If your phone supports wireless charging, you should be able to use that stand as well. And of course, AirPods and Apple Watch. And again, it does support up to 10 watts of fast wireless charging. And again, that's just for the wireless charge stand, not for these chargers over here. All right, so you have your phones there, your AirPods, and these are the series for the Apple Watch. It supports 1 through 4 and that version. It does have over voltage, current, temperature, short circuit protection as well. Okay, so and these are the items that come inside the box. All right, you got the information there. Won't spend a lot of time there. It even has Type C for the cable connector, so that's good to know. Type A to Type C. All right, so without further ado, let me go ahead and open up this box. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove this. And this is your charge brick. All right, and then your connector, which is type A to, if I can get it showing here, the type C, as you can see, CC. And then you have your manual, which more than likely you would not need, but you know, it should be straightforward there. Is there any English in here though? Let's see. Just in case you wanted to see it, yeah, there is English as well. So, all right, let's put this aside. Let's have a look at this charging dock station. Okay, so nice solid build, and you do have your non-slip for the surface here. You just got to remove that little plastic so that way you can make sure it doesn't slide around. That's your port right there, USB-C port. So I'm going to plug this up and just test out the wireless charge stand. I don't have an Apple Watch or AirPods to test this out, but it's straightforward. You just wrap your watch around this, keep it in the center, and then you just plug in your AirPods. So that's to take care of that. But at least I will test out the wireless charge stand. So let's go ahead and get this plugged up. When you plug this in, you do get a purple light, as you see there. So that way you know it has power. I'm gonna grab my phone, place it right here, and it should start charging. There you go. And you know it's charging when you can see the blue light down there at the bottom. All right. Do I think that it's worth purchasing this product? If you have an iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch, then I would say definitely it is, because you get a 3-in-1 charging solution for all 3 devices. However, if you just own a wireless charging phone like a Samsung Galaxy and then the AirPods, maybe. But if you don't have either one of these and you just have a wireless charging device, then I would say probably no, because you can get less expensive wireless charging stands out there that can do even 15 watts of wireless charging. So it depends on the situation. Definitely a yes if you have all 3 of these items that are listed here or shown there in that on the box. But it's something to think about. It is a solid build product and it does offer great features, but I think you would benefit better if you have an iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch. But if you are interested in this, I will have a link posted in the description. Please use that link as it does help me out. And This is available on Amazon for $32.99 at the moment. And that's going to do it for today's review for the 3-in-1 up to 10 watts fast wireless charging dock. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Also share and subscribe. I thank you for watching, and until next time, keep it mobile.